Suresh had 5 bars of chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He ate 2 full chocolate bars. He eats this, he eats this. And another 5 by 7 from one more chocolate bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 out of 7 he takes. So 2 by 7 is left, and then 2 bars are left. He distributed the remaining portion of chocolates equally among 4 people. And how much does he get? Suresh gets 2 5 by 7. What is remaining is 2 2 by 7. 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 7. Or Suresh gets 2 into 7, 14 plus 5, 19 by 7. What do the other 4 get? They get 2 into 7, 14 plus 2, 14 by 7. All 4 of them put together get 14 by 7. Right, so this is interesting. Let's get back to the numbers first. Write them down. Suresh gets 19 by 7. Other 4 get 14 plus 2, 16 by 7. 14 plus 2, 16 by 7. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 2, 16 by 7. When 4 of them get 16 by 7 totally, so each one of them will get 16 by 7 by 4, which is 16 by 7 into 1 by 4, which is 4 by 7. What fraction of Suresh's portion did each of them get? Each of them gets 4/7 of a chocolate bar. Suresh gets 19 by 7 of a chocolate bar. Or what fraction of Suresh did they get? 4 by 7 by 19 by 7. 4 by 7 into 7 by 19, which is 4 by 19. Suresh gets 19 by 7. Each of them gets 4 by 7. Each of them gets 4/19 of what Suresh gets.